Hello everyone, I am Prem from Bowl7. Today I am going to explain our client dashboard portal, that is the CDP. As you can see, I have an ad manager account here. I have run quite a few campaigns in it and all of them are lead campaigns. So as you can see, in each campaign there are different numbers of leads. Some have 15, some have 8,443. Depending on the time selected, the leads have come in accordingly. Now if I have to manage these leads manually, by downloading and managing them, it becomes a very time-consuming process for me, and it also takes a lot of time to understand all this. So for that, I have a solution for you, our CDP, which I can basically call a meta leads management tool. As soon as your account is connected to this CDP, all your leads start appearing in one place on our dashboard. This platform is specially designed for those businesses that generate leads from meta ads and want to manage, analyze, and follow up on those leads all in one place. Normally, to view the list, we have to keep going back to Ads Manager again and again. You have to keep going through forms like this and then manually try to understand the data. But in the CDP, all this data gets automatically organized in one place. So before I show you how to use the CDP and explain its process, let me first tell you some of its benefits. The biggest benefit of the CDP is that you can track your meta ads and all your leads are automatically displayed on the dashboard. Here you get complete details of every lead, such as phone number, email, campaign name, phone, date, and time. In Meta Ads Manager, you have to repeatedly, you won't need to do that anymore. And at the same time, the system also shows you campaign-wise and page-wise performance, so you can easily understand which campaign is performing well, how many leads are coming from each campaign, what your lead cost is, and which campaign is giving you good results and what needs to be improved in it. When you view your lead data on our CDP dashboard, you can manage all this. And the biggest benefit through our CDP is that as soon as you get a lead through your campaign, you can set up WhatsApp automation for the customer whose number you have received from that campaign. This means you can send a WhatsApp message to the lead instantly using our drip campaign feature. As a result, those leads become even more accessible to you, and it will help you even more in selling your business, your products, or your services. CDP is not just a lead reporting tool, it is also a lead tracking, analysis, and conversation system. So without further delay, I will explain the login process, how it works, and how to connect it. All of this I will show you in the upcoming video. So friends, to log into the CDP, first you need to log into our website 24into7board.com. Here, you can log in either through email or WhatsApp. You can enter your number here and send an OTP to it. As soon as you send the OTP, you will receive the OTP as a message on WhatsApp. Once you enter the OTP, you will be logged into the dashboard. So as soon as we entered the OTP, we arrived at the CDP dashboard. There's more to CDP as well. For Meta Leads Management, you will need to go to CDP, click on CDP, and then inside CDP, you need to add under data collection. After going to data collection, you need to click on add a data source. Here, you can select any source. You can do this, for example, I'll just leave it here. You won't need it. You need to scroll down to the source section, then select Meta Ads Integration. Click on Create Source here. Now, it's asking you for your Meta Ad account, so you need to connect your Meta Ad account. To connect, as soon as you click on Connect, a new window will open. If your account is already logged in here, just continue from here. If you want to use a different account, you can log in with another account from here. My account is already logged in, so I'll continue with this one, and as soon as I use my account here, this is now connected successfully, and as soon as it's successful, all the ad accounts I have start appearing here. Now from these you can select whichever ad account you use to run your ads. You can also click on Save Selected and Continue to proceed. So as soon as I selected my ad account, after that I come to the page where it shows which pages my ads are running on. So I select these two pages. You can also select the pages through your Facebook account where your ads are running. Then you also need to click on Save Selected and Continue here, okay? So this is syncing the data. After this, look here. It tells you the sync period, that you can sync a minimum of 7 days worth of data, up to 3 years worth of data. You have selected 3 ad accounts and 2 pages. Whatever your requirement is, you can set it accordingly. So I will go to the last 30 days and click on Sync Now. When I click on it, syncing will take a little bit of time. See, as soon as it starts syncing, the data is now at 60%. It will gradually finish syncing. It's a process that takes 2 to 4 minutes. So within 2 to 4 minutes, all your data, like leads and so on, will be synced. Through Meta, our account is now synced. And here you should see the status as active. So before moving forward, let me show you its settings. If you feel that you need to add another ad account, or if you missed adding any ad account, you can go here and select it. If you feel that you want to If you feel that you shouldn't do this, you can deselect it. Similarly, if you want to remove a page or add a new page, you can do that as well. From here, you can select a new page, or you can select the page you have already chosen. So you can redo these settings inside here. It's not like you can't make changes after connecting once. You can do all of this from here. Besides this, if you have another Meta account, you can delete this account and add that other ad account here in its place. Whichever account's data you want to access, you will have to add that account here. Only one account can be active at a time, okay? After the data has been collected, you need to go directly to Analytics and Reporting. When you go to Analytics and Reporting, you will find 4 types: Overview, Leads, Campaign, Page, and Forms. I'll explain these things to you section by section. First of all, here you can see the date range. You can select data from 7 days up to 3 years depending on what data you want to see. You can choose which ad account you want, which page you want. For example, suppose in this ad account I have 0 leads in 30 days, and in this ad account I have 43 leads in the last 30 days. So this is according to the date range. After this, you can see here that 3 ad accounts are selected, so you have selected them from here. When was your data last synced? What is your data coverage? That means your ad insights, which are showing for 1 month from April 6th to May 6th. You have a total of 13 campaigns, 2 pages, 9 forms, and you have 43 leads, okay? So after this, the amount of spend you see listed below, you can see the cost per lead, the number of clicks, the cost per click, impressions, clicks per 100 views, and at the end you can also see what time you received the lead. So this is a leads management tool where you can see all the details of your leads campaigns. Now look here, you can see how many campaigns you have running. The top 10 are shown here, sorted by the top 10. For example, my call center dollar ad is running, and it's included here as well as my watch broadcast campaign. There are 11 leads in this one. Now, my CDP system has internally analyzed this and given it the best CPL, cost per lead reward, indicating that this lead is performing the best or working at the lowest rate among your top 10 campaigns and is delivering good performance. So what I was talking about earlier, that's exactly what is being shown here. You don't need to interpret this data yourself. Our CDP will tell you about your campaign's performance accordingly. You can also filter this by clicks. You can view this based on spend, leads, clicks per 100, post clicks, and see what insights you have, what things in your campaigns need improvement, or what things you need to add. After this, you see the top pages. Top pages means all your pages will be shown here, and they will be displayed according to leads. For example, in Bowl 7, there are 349 leads here, and in NG and Associates, there are 114. So, as soon as you click on leads here, you will see all the related data, names, etc. You will see all the details like phone number, email, which page it is, which form it is, which campaign name, which ad name. All these things will be visible to you. Basically, the data you used to have to download from the news is now shown to you directly here, along with win details, such as when it came in and how it came in. You will see all these things. Let's go back to the other tabs. After this, you can also view by top forms. If you have created different forms, for example, if you have made 2 forms for the same campaign and are running them separately, you will see them here. The top 10 forms will be shown to you, like in bulk which college. If 05 is there, it will appear at the very top, and in trademark registration, if solid is below, it will show up there. As soon as you click on these, you will see the data here, and you can also export it. We have provided the option to export as a CSV file here. As soon as you accept it, your export happens instantly and gets downloaded. When you open this file, you will see the data. After this, in lead trend, you will see how many leads have come in according to the date, how many came on the 2nd, how many on the 5th, how many on the 6th. So you will see that it's like performance over time, as we have shown you. And we've also tried to explain to you how many leads came on which date, what your cost per lead was, on which date your click-through rate was higher or lower, on which day your spend was more or less. Here you can analyze based on the product as well. So basically, as I mentioned earlier, this is not just a tool for managing leads, it's also a reporting tool through which you can manage things, manage your campaigns easily, get more insights, and instantly make decisions about which campaign is performing well and which one is not right for your business. That was Overview tab. Now let's move on to the Leads tab. In the Leads tab as well, you have the same date range at the start. As I mentioned before, you can filter this through the ad account. After that, the most important thing you need to check is whether you have received any leads under the name Prem. If you haven't received any, then see when you search for Prem, you get this lead under the name Prem Sahu. Here, you can find this lead by email, by phone number, or by name. You can also find it page-wise or according to the campaign form. If you want to search between dates, for example, from one date to another, you can do that as well. If you want to see the data up to the 6th, all your data will be displayed here. Okay, so basically you now understand how the date range works. Then you can check leads by campaign, how many leads you have received in each campaign. For example, you select last 7 days or last 30 days. Here it shows you how many leads have come in each campaign. Alright. After this, you can see the trend of leads, how many leads you have received per day. Then, out of the leads you have received, how many are unique? How many have come in total? For example, you received 43 leads in 43 days, out of which 42 are unique. all that data is shown to me here, and I can also download it by going to export. So within leads, all your leads are here. You can filter them by name, by phone number, by email number, or by officers. You can also filter them by date between specific dates, and you can export them as needed. You can search them according to your ad account during your campus time as well. For example, regarding any deadlines, I have already explained that to you, and you can also see how many clicks you have received on which date and according to what criteria. After this, all your campaigns are listed here. For example, if it is showing data for 30 days from April 6th to May 6th, then in this ad, your total spend for the third campaign is shown. This much was spent in it. So many clicks, so many leads, meaning you don't have to go into Meta Ad Manager to download reports and analyze them. You can see the leads right here, and your metrics are also displayed here. This is the biggest and most important benefit. From this, you can get an idea of which campaign is beneficial for you, on which date you need to improve, which campaign is bringing you quality leads, which campaign is not, and which campaign is costing you more. So all this data is available right here. When your Meta Ad account is added here in the CDP, you can analyze all of this very effectively. You can view this and manage it properly. After that, you can see the total number of page agent forms, how many leads you have received here from them, and how many forms you have created. You can also see the data form-wise, which was also visible in the Overview tab. So all these analytics and reporting tools, these features allow you to not only access the data, but also export it. You can distribute it to your sales team from here. As soon as a lead comes in, you can inform them, or you can have your ISCDP log in. So basically, what happens with leads is this. It's all about follow-up. As soon as a lead comes in, if you are following up instantly, or if you are using a drip campaign to contact them via WhatsApp, then these CDP features are the most important for your business. Every lead is valuable for you and can be converted. With leads, the key is instant follow-up. If you use meetings and your sales team also has a 2-day window, then through this, as soon as you get a live lead, you can follow up instantly. So this was our overall overview of analytics and reporting. Now let's move on. In the segment builder, now let's talk about the segment builder. By using the segment builder, you can apply rules to leads based on specific conditions. First of all, you can add the name of the segment. For example, here I have entered role 7. Alright, after this, if you want, you can also add a description here. Then you need to select the source. If you are working with metals, you will have to do the same here. After this, there is an option where all and means that all conditions must be met, and any or means that if any one condition is met, the profile can be included in the segment. In rules, you can add conditions such as by campaign name, by date, by which form it is, or by which number it is. So let me show you by adding a rule. For example, I want to set a rule for leads between certain dates. Show me the leads from May 1st to May 6th. Okay, after that, I added a rule that the lead must have an email. Then I added another rule that it must have a phone number. After that, I added a rule for the campaign name. If you want a specific campaign, you can add all the rules you need according to your requirements. Based on the type of leads you want, you can go to the segment builder and add rules accordingly. This will help you a lot in displaying your data. There is also a count below on the preview account. As soon as you click there, the system updates to show how many profiles match this segment. When I click on preview count, it will display the data that matches the rules I have added, okay? Now it says that 11 profiles match according to your rule. So as soon as I save this segment, my segment will be saved, and once it's saved, it will directly appear in the segment library. Now when you come to the segment library, you can see here that it showed 11. When you click on this I button, you can see the rules and so on. Then you can look at this data to see which 11 leads matched. You can also export this. As I mentioned earlier, you can export everything, and this data you can use it according to the conditions and your rules for your business. In the segment library, all your segments are listed, such as the segment name, total identified, status, last update, action. Everything is here. For example, if I have created a segment for the entire campaign, you will see all the data here, like 2,571 records. You will see all the data here, including numbers, emails, everything. You can export this data, so all this data as... Suppose the data matches from here. You will see it here. And after that, if you want to use our powerful Segment Plus drip campaign features to send a WhatsApp message to all these leads, all these numbers, you can immediately use our drip campaign features. For example, let me show you the features of the drip campaign. Inside this, you can create a new campaign, give it a campaign name or description, and here you need to select WhatsApp, okay? And here you need to select the time, and from here the campaign will be created instantly. After that, you can send WhatsApp messages to all of them. This means you select the right audience, create a segment, and send them automated virtual messages. This process makes lead follow-up fast, organized, and automatic. So, coming back to your CTP, you saw that you came to data collection here, added your account. Then from here, by going into settings, you can also change or remove them. Then the most important part is analytics, where you can see all the data here. Overview, leads, campaign, page, form, how much has been spent, everything. Then by going to segments, you can define rules as I explained to you, specifying what kind of data you need. Then in the segment library, you can view those events. After that, by using drip campaigns, you can create a new campaign and send them automated WhatsApp messages. So this is our powerful CDP. By using it, you can manage your leads data here and analyze it as well as meta ads. Connect. This tool helps you with everything from collecting leads to analyzing, segmenting, and converting them. It's not just a dashboard, it's your complete lead intelligence and automation system. So, friends, this was about our CDP and why you should use it. And this CDP, for any business that finds it difficult to manage lead data or wants to move towards automation, you should definitely try our CDP at least once and you'll have a new experience. Here, everything happens automatically. You can automatically send messages to them, you can automatically distribute them, and you can gain many benefits from this. So friends, see you in the next new video. Thank you.